Hey guys, Vlad here, and let's rank a video using VMB. Let's say I'm trying to rank a video for a video marketing company from Bronx. Well, we type in video marketing Bronx and we hit research keyword. Now we just wait a bit and that's it. Just take a look here on how many great keywords we got. These are some really awesome results, but in this case I will try to rank for the first one. All we have to do now is go to the video details module, select from competitors. Now we paste in the keyword and we hit start. That's it. So it's that simple, and now we will get a perfectly optimized title, description and tags that will surely rank on the first page. Okay, so I'm going to take these video details, I'm going to go to YouTube and upload the video with these video details and rank on Google and YouTube. Okay, so about 10 minutes passed and let's go to google.com and type in video marketing agency in Bronx. Now we hit search and let's see what we got. Alright, let's scroll to the bottom, and as you can see, 10 minutes ago the video uploaded is ranked on the first page of Google, the first result. So we managed to rank that fast, all with the video details generated using Video Marketing Blaster. Now let's check the YouTube rankings. We go on youtube.com, paste in video marketing agency in Bronx, and bang, as you can see, the first result. So out of 1500 results, we managed to rank on the first page of YouTube on the first position. So I really hope you see the power in using Video Marketing Blaster. In less than 2 minutes, I managed to rank on the first position, both on Google and on YouTube, for the keyword that I was targeting. This is really an incredible result. Thanks a lot for watching this video.